Well, this is the Virgin Galactic spaceship. It's going to be taking paying passengers into space from hopefully 2013. So let's take a look inside. Now, it's my first time inside a spaceship, and in fact, it's the first time that any journalist has been allowed in here. It's obviously not finished at the moment, but the pilots will sit here, and there'll be 6 passengers sitting 3 along each side of the spaceship. They'll be able to look out of these windows and see the blue sky of the Earth turning first purple and then into the blackness of space. The roar of the rocket motor behind them will disappear. The rush of the atmosphere along the outside of the spaceship will vanish. And when they hear the silence that's left and see the blackness outside, they'll know that they're in space. They'll then get around 5 minutes floating in this cabin. The spaceship can't get into space, though, on its own. It needs a bit of help, and it'll get that help from this specially made plane. It'll carry the spaceship in this little spot here up to about 50,000 feet, which is higher than a normal plane would fly, and when it gets to that altitude, it'll literally drop the spaceship in mid-air. The spaceship then fires its rocket motor and accelerates in less than a minute to 2,500 miles per hour, and in that way it travels to nearly 70 miles above the Earth. Both the plane and the spaceship are made entirely of carbon composite. That means they're much stronger and much lighter than they would otherwise be, which of course saves fuel and saves money. And the spaceship has got a neat trick to get back to Earth as well, because what happens is these rear wings hinge and fold upwards. That increases the drag enormously, and together with the low weight because of the carbon composite and the fact that it's not going right the way into orbit, it means that the spaceship can get back into the atmosphere, it can re-enter the atmosphere without the need for heat shields, which again saves weight and saves money. And then once it's back in the atmosphere, the wings go back to the normal position and it simply glides to Earth.